My besties, picture this for a moment. You wake up, open your phone, and instead of scrolling, you're earning from your skills, from your hobbies, or from that one thing people always ask you to teach them. Now, here's the crazy part. There's a global platform quietly paying people from any country to teach what they already know. And most of the world doesn't even know it exists. Today, I'm opening the door. I'm showing you how regular people, not celebrities, not influencers, are making real, consistent money from home through this platform. This one video could literally help someone turn their passion into income. So stay with me till the end. Don't blink. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and let's dive in. Now, this platform is called LearnKey. LearnKey.com is the website. And what exactly is LearnKey.com? Let me break it down simply. LearnKey is an online platform where anyone can earn money by teaching others. You don't need a degree. You don't need professional certificates. All you need is just a skill, a passion, or something you're good at. Think of it as a marketplace where students around the world search for teachers, and teachers get paid for one-on-one lessons. You can teach language, cooking, music, arts, business skills, fitness, crafts, digital skills, coding, and honestly, anything people want to learn. If there's a skill you have, there's someone out there willing to pay to learn it. Now, a big question I know my subscribers always ask, Delphine, can people from anywhere in the world apply? And the answer is yes. 100%. No country restrictions. You can apply whether you're in Africa, Asia, Europe, the Caribbean, anywhere. You also don't need prior teaching experience. You don't need to be a certified tutor. You just need something you can confidently teach for 30 minutes or 1 hour. This is why I love platforms like this. They give opportunities to people worldwide. Now let's talk about how LearnKey actually works. Number one, you create a teacher profile. You need to go to the tutor side of the website, not the student side, okay? This is like your little shop. Students see your profile photo, your description, your skills, and your price. So you go to LearnKey.com/become tutor. You see where to create your profile here. Okay, you sign up here to create your profile. Number two, you set your hourly rate. This is one of the best parts. You decide how much you want to charge. Some teachers charge $8 to $15 and some charge $30 per hour. It all depends on your skill and confidence level. Number three is students book your lessons. You get a notification when someone wants a class with you. Everything, the schedule, communication, and payment happens on the platform. You can see all the teachers available right now. You can price between $5 to $220. All right. Number four, you teach through video call, just like Zoom, but built inside LearnKey. No need to download anything. All right. Everything is built in here. Then number five, you get paid. After your class, your earnings go straight to your LearnKey wallet and you can withdraw. For section 4, how much can you earn? I know this is another question everyone always asks me. Delphine, how much can I realistically make? So here's a simple breakdown. If you teach just 1 hour a day at $10 per hour, that's $300 a month. If you teach 2 hours a day, that's $600 a month. And if you teach 3 to 4 hours a day, that's about $1,000 per month. And that's from home with flexible time, teaching what you already know. Some teachers even earn much more because once you build a strong profile, students keep coming back. Now listen carefully because this part decides whether you get students fast or not. Alright, here's how to make your profile stand out and get booked quickly. Number one, use a clean, friendly profile photo. No filters, no heavy editing, just a clear face. Number two, write a strong description. Introduce yourself, explain what you teach and why you're good at it. Number three, add a video introduction. It doesn't have to be perfect, just smile, be warm, and talk for 30 seconds. Number four, start with an affordable price. You can increase it later once you get bookings. I'm going to show you guys some of the pricings from teachers from Nigeria, alright? Number five, be available. open multiple time slots, give students options, okay? If you follow these steps, you can start getting students faster than most new tutors. Let me give you examples of simple skills that pay. Teaching English, social media basics, Canva design, crochet or knitting, TikTok editing, how to start a YouTube channel, cooking your traditional dishes, fitness or weight loss training, music lessons, guitar, piano or singing. If you know something, even at a beginner or intermediate level, you can teach someone who knows nothing. Now let me give you some pro tips to grow faster. Number one is respond quickly. The faster you reply, the more students trust you. 2. Offer a free first 10-minute chat. This helps you build a connection. 3. Encourage reviews. Positive reviews help your profile rank higher. Number 4. Share your LearnKey teacher link on social media. TikTok, Facebook groups, WhatsApp, everything helps. Number 5, besties. Stay consistent even if bookings are slow at first. They grow with time. Why LearnKey.com is different? There are many teaching platforms out there, but LearnKey is different because they accept teachers from anywhere. You can teach almost any skill, not just academic subjects. They allow beginners. They let you set your hourly rate. Students choose you directly. It's simple, clean, and user-friendly. If you love teaching or you're looking for a flexible way to earn from home, this platform is honestly a hidden gem. Let me take you back to LearnKey.com. You can see on my screen tutors from all over the world with their hourly rate here, different hourly rate, $40, 15, 22, 12, people from US, India, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Kenya, Nigeria. They are from all over the world. So students who come here choose free trial sessions or video introduction, and then choose the tutor language. They will choose a skill and then search. This one is violin lesson for everyone, and she's charging $40 per hour. Okay, so you can absolutely do this from any location. All you have to do is to check the skills if you have it. Check what you want to teach. Social media, you can start from that. Text prep, music, social studies, finances, lifestyle. You can choose any skills of your choice, any skill of your choice. Build your profile. Sign up here. If you want this link, it will be in the description. You sign up here, create your profile. If you need help, you can reach out to me. Let's talk about it. Focus on the skills you need. Your online tutoring website. Focus on your passion. Build your network. All the tools you need are here. No upfront fees. Save 90% of your setup cost. No restrictions. Set your own schedule. Full transparency, easy and quick setup. Upload your photos and videos, ready to start in 30 minutes. If you're ready to start earning this week, this is your go-to platform. Okay, if you want me to tutor you, I will. Guys, there's even an affiliate program. Anyway, this is it. Go and sign up. The link will be in the description for you, so you can sign up. All right, it's that simple. You can do this from anywhere. So besties, that's everything you need to know to start earning from home using LearnKey.com. If you've been looking for a way to make money from your skills, if you want something flexible you can do from any country, if you want a side hustle that can grow into a full-time income, then this is your sign. Don't wait. Don't overthink it. Go check out LearnKey.com after this video and start building your tutor profile today. And if you want more videos like this, online jobs, remote jobs, side hustles, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any opportunity. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.